Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. The Pipeworks 400 allows frequently used programs to be saved directly to the machine to easily recall and utilize for specific welding parameters. This eliminates any possible guesswork trying to remember settings. Insert a blank SD card into the memory slot. The Busy LED will illuminate to indicate the card is being read. Press and release the memory card Save button to save all stored operator settings in memory locations 1 through 4 as a setup configuration file to the memory card. To load previously saved settings, insert the memory card into the slot. The Busy LED will illuminate. Press Load and the settings are saved to the machine. This information can also be helpful for determining maintenance schedules or troubleshooting.